Welcome back to Pacific Ventures Presents Propertyscape. Find the keys to your home. This is Expert Speak, where we bring you the sharpest minds in the real estate world to answer your questions. Property is on everyone's mind, and so are apprehensions associated with it. Is the government doing enough? Are the laws tough to counter another debacle? Are RERA rules stringent enough to provide for checks and balances? Tonight, we are joined by Miguel Guadalupe, who will throw some light on the changes in real estate laws and rules made by the government to ensure that you are the winner at the end of the day. Welcome to Expert Speak. My name is Mihir. We have with us again Mr. Miguel Guadalupe, Chief Operating Officer of Pacific Ventures, which is a leading real estate developer here in UAE. Welcome back to the show, Miguel.
Thank you for having me back.
We have seen a significant rise in property prices and transactions of late. Is this strong enough to restore investor confidence in the UAE real estate sector?
Yes, just the rise in the transactions and the property, you can see that the investors are starting to come back. Not a lot, because they're still waiting to see what happens. I think with the government winning Expo 2020 had also shown that there's a lot more interest, not only locally, but throughout the world, in Dubai coming back on its feet again.
Okay.
So,
Well, we've also seen a lot of regulatory reforms in the UAE real estate sector. So the recent regulatory reforms in the UAE real estate sector, are they enough to avoid yet another property crash?
it'll take time, and I believe that a lot of initiatives that the government is doing and a lot of changes and a lot of policies that are coming around will help to ensure that the people are safe and will come back in numbers, record numbers, in the coming years. I believe that we're in a special country where a ruler who cares about his city and has developed an infrastructure and has a keen eye to ensuring that the people's money are safe, not like it happened before.
So do you think the market has stabilized?
The market, real estate market never really stabilizes. I think it goes up, it goes down, it stops. That's just the nature of the animal. I mean, it's a market that always fluctuates, and nobody should ever think that it's going to continuously go up. No, it's going to go down some, and it's going to level out, and then it'll go up. But the government is now tracking it more and ensuring that it doesn't go out of control.
Okay. So is this rampant speculation a thing of the past?
No, they're not going to be a thing. I don't think they'll ever be a thing of the past. I think the way you monitor them, and a small amount of speculators is always good for the market, because they keep the value of the properties honest. All right. A large amount of speculators is what you had in the past. That causes trouble, because then people are not here. They're not end users.
Right.
They're people here just to flip property.
Right.
Okay. But a small amount of speculators ensures that it puts like new blood back into the system.
Right.
And that's what you like, to keep the prices honest.
Okay. And what, according to you, what else needs to be done to ensure sustainable growth of the UAE real estate sector?
Well, I think like anybody else, we would like to see the banks get more involved, and I think it'll probably happen once they get into what they need to do. All right, and that's going to take time, like anything else. I don't think we need to rush into anything in this country. I think the way they're doing things, you have to make sure you do it right one time, so you don't mess it up and you cause problems later on the road.
Right. That's very interesting. And thank you for your inputs, Miguel. It's been a pleasure to have you on Expert Speak.
No, thank you for having me.
That's it from Expert Speak. We'll see you again next week. In the meantime, take very good care of yourself and keep watching Propertyscape. Well, let's hope that is just the information you were looking for. We'll be back in the following weeks with more satisfying facts and figures from the exciting real estate market in the Middle East. Like always, if you have any queries regarding buy, sell, rent, invest, or otherwise, do mail us on propertyscape@queenbeeproduction.com. And don't forget to get social with us on our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/ColorsTVME. That's it from Propertyscape. We'll see you again next week at the same time, at the same place. In the meantime, take very good care of yourself and keep watching Propertyscape.